ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, MD ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಸುಮಾ ಯಶವಂತರಾವ್. ಈ ದಿನ ನಾವು ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Verbs definitions. A verb is a doing word that shows an action, an event, or a state. A sentence may either have a main verb, a helping verb, or both. In other words, a verb in a other word that informs about an action, an existence of something or an occurrence. The verb is the main word in a sentence. No sentences can be completed without a verb. The word verb derived from the Latin word verbum. Types of verbs: main verbs, helping verbs, linking verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್, something that an animal, a person, or a thing does. In each of the following sentences, we only have a main verb. The sun shines. The sun shines. Main verb. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸನ್ನು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಶೈನ್, ಹೊಳಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. The horse neighs. The monkey jumps. ಮಂಕಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ? ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವರ್ಬ್. Next to helping verbs. As the name suggests, helping verbs help or support the main verb. ನೇಮೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ helping verbs ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಗೆ. We are learning about helping verbs. Or helping verb, learning, main verb. Main verb learning. Helping verb are. We are in the greenhouse club. Are ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಬೈ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಶುಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್, ಲಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ known as linking verbs. Linking verbs explain a link between the subject of the sentence and a noun or adjective being linked to it. List of example sentences. The flowers are bright. Are ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ linking verbs. Diamond is the hardest substance. I feel scared. State of being verb states that something is. State of being verbs are known as linking verbs. Linking verbs explain a link between the subject of the sentence and a noun or adjective. Subject of the sentence ಮತ್ತೆ nounಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, linking verbs. Next, understanding verbs. The words am, is, are, was, and were belong to the verb to be. We use am or was with the pronoun I. We use is or was when the subject of the sentence is singular. We use are or were when the subject of the sentence is plural. List of example sentences. I was late for school yesterday. Here was is the understanding verbs. I am 12 years old. Am, here am is the understanding verb. She is a wonderful singer. Is a understanding verb. These questions are difficult. Are ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್. He was planning to meet the doctor. Was ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್. The Hollywood actors are famous. They were winners last year. It is a great feeling to win the trophy. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. We use is with the singular nouns and pronouns he, she, it. My school is near my house. The restaurant is closing down. She is writing a postcard. Dog is a faithful animal. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. He is acting strange today. We use are with plural nouns and pronouns we, you, they. List of example sentences. The balloons are colorful. They are best friends. The kites are flying high in the sky. They are planning to go by train. We are going to win the match. You are writing so untidily. We use are when we join two or more nouns. List of example sentences. John and Sam are brothers. Joseph and we are neighbors. Anne and Shu are enjoying the play. Sharon and Jenny are competing for the gold medal. Mr. and Mrs. Lee are planning to visit New Zealand. Subject verb agreement. It is very important to take care of the subject and verb agreement while framing a sentence. It is very important that a verb must be compatible and agree with its subject to make a correct and valid sentence. Let us understand with the help of an example. If you write, Pill is playing with a ball. Correct. Pill are playing with a ball. Incorrect. We show the difference of sentences. Is, pill is, pill are. This is singular, this is plural. In the first sentence, the subject pill is a singular. So, we need a singular verb. Is playing. The sentence is correct. In the second sentence, the subject pill is singular. But the verb is plural. Are playing. The sentence is incorrect. Very good. Rules of subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement with a singular noun. If the subject is a singular noun or a pronoun he, she, it, we must ensure that we use a singular verb to write a correct sentence. List of example sentence. She is playing the guitar. The postman is asking for your signature. The movie has caught everyone's attention. Does he know the minister well? She is cheering the team. He enjoys music. My mom drives carefully. The moon revolves around the earth. Is it raining? Next, subject-verb agreement with the plural noun. If the subject is plural, we, they, those, you, we need a plural verb to write a correct sentence. List of example sentence. The boys were dancing in the corridor. The children are playing in the garden. The students were writing their exam. Thank you. Ee video ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Thank you. Share ಮಾಡಿ.